Once upon a time, in a lively neighborhood nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, lived two adorable dogs named Buddy and Bella. Buddy was a playful golden retriever with a heart as big as his woof, and Bella, a spirited border collie, was as agile as she was friendly. Buddy and Bella lived in neighboring houses and met one sunny morning while chasing butterflies in the park. With wagging tails and bright eyes, they instantly hit it off. They barked, they raced, and they tumbled around, discovering the joy of each other's company. Their bond grew stronger as they explored the park together, leaping over hurdles and diving into piles of leaves. They played fetch and dug for hidden treasures, sharing giggles and secrets amidst the tall grass and blossoming flowers. One day, Bella got stuck in a thorny bush while chasing a squirrel. Buddy rushed to her side, barking for help. With determination and teamwork, they managed to free Bella from the prickly situation. Their friendship shone bright as they comforted each other, proving that true friends support and rescue each other in times of need. Together, Buddy and Bella learned new tricks, like balancing treats on their noses and performing joyful spins. They discovered that with patience and practice, they could accomplish anything. Through their adventures, they showed that learning is more fun when shared with a friend. As the sun set behind the hills, Buddy and Bella gathered their furry friends for a delightful doggy celebration. They danced, wagged tails, and shared treats, celebrating the unbreakable bond of their friendship. As stars twinkled in the night sky, Buddy and Bella curled up together under a blanket of stars, knowing that no matter what adventures lie ahead, they would always have each other. Their friendship was a shining example of love, loyalty, and the joy found in true companionship. This animated story for dog lovers. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and keep watching Danyal Haider Cartoons for more videos. See you soon, kids!